Hi, I'm Chadwick Lianos, the Director for Administration of the Sectoral Transparency Alliance on Natural Resource Governance in Cebu. In 2020, the world has seen the unprecedented effects of the restrictions related to the COVID-19 pandemic. STANS wasn't spared of those drawbacks. In our intent to scale up the functional capacities of our sectors of farmers, fisherfolks, women, and other vulnerable sectors around extractives so that they're able to represent themselves as they are before power holders and decision makers. The work we do for capacity development had been limited because of the pandemic. As such, the component of project data, an initiative supported by the United States Agency for International Development and implemented within Bantay Kita Network, had to adjust to the current situation. Because of that, I welcome you to our massive open online course, our response for a sustainable and more interactive capacity development intended for the sectors, but then again now can be accessed by everyone online. This massive open online course is a series of topics within 3 dedicated modules, one after the other, which would allow course takers to see the logic behind natural resource governance and the basic knowledge on other important issues around the extractives. Module 1 is dedicated for organizational development and community organizing. It talks about leadership, it talks about teamwork, community organizing and mobilization, and critical thinking. Module 2 talks about participation within natural resource governance, starting from the basics of active citizenship, of mandatory spaces for civic engagement within natural resource governance, and of course the use of these spaces and transparency and accountability commitments of government in order to leverage data to make accountable and transparent extractive industries. And the third would give us a more contemporary look at the prevailing contexts on natural resource governance, ranging from gender, climate change, disaster risk reduction, among others. I hope this massive open online course, intended to draw everyone into a more capable and functional knowledge on natural resource governance, will provide for a better venue and appreciation on how natural resource governance works as it becomes real, especially in the context of an ever-changing climate. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoy our massive open online course.